here's how you can add a QR code to your Apple Wallet. So you wanna load up the App Store and search for Pass2You and get this application right here. The first one, you can see the icon. Now click on open, and then we will not allow this. We will consent here, ask not to track. Okay, so here's what we want to do. You want to click on the plus sign here, and then we will choose get the barcode from an image. And we want to select the barcode which we have received or taken a picture of that we want to add to our Apple Wallet. So I will do this one right here, and we will just do confirm. Okay, so here we will choose the type as generic, and you can click on done. After we have selected done here, we will choose add, and now this should be added to our Apple Wallet. If we go back all the way and I go to my wallet here, you can see my QR code. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.